Well, new tonight, former Waco attorney Dean Hoffman is now listed on the Nebraska sex offender registry, and he has finally submitted the paperwork to resign his law license months after a judge ordered him to do so. 6 News reporter Sydney Walker has more from the Nebraska Sheriff's Department and a local representative on what comes next. Sydney.
Bailey, according to Nebraska law, Hoffman was also ordered to register as a sex offender, something he wasn't required to do in Texas. Now, State Representative Pat Curry wants to pass a similar law in Texas. Dean Hoffman accepted a plea deal in a McLennan County child sex abuse case, reducing his charges to misdemeanors with no requirement to register as a sex offender in Texas.
Indecent assault charge that he pled guilty to is equivalent to our sexual assault third degree, which is a misdemeanor as well.
But in Nebraska,
if anyone has pled guilty or been found guilty of an offense that is equivalent to a registrable offense in Nebraska, they are required to register in Nebraska.
Adam Arco, Sarpy County Sheriff's deputy, said the Nebraska Sex Offender Registry Act made it clear to State Patrol.
I had sent them the information about Mr. Hoffman moving here. Legal department made the decision that he is required to register here.
Hoffman needed to register.
Went to his house and I served it to him.
He's now listed on Nebraska's Sex Offender Registry.
He'll be required to register for 15 years. He will have the ability to potentially apply to get off after 10 years.
A stark difference from his punishment back home. What was your reaction?
Elation.
Representative Pat Curry said this revealed gaps in Texas law.
They stepped up and did it quickly to let the public know what kind of a monster they're dealing with.
One he wants to fix.
The minute I saw that law, I started reading it, and you can bet that we're going to pass a law very similar to that.
Curry said he's already submitted several bills, hoping to set a new standard in Texas.
And this is a tragedy that will hopefully turn into a success for thousands of other children by us being able to change some of the laws.
Curry encourages people to always reach out to their local representatives whenever situations like these reveal loopholes in laws.
All right, Sydney, thanks for staying on top of that.